Hey guys, this is Mike with Vant Trading. I wanted to do a quick video for you guys going over a couple of lessons that we just went over with our mentorship group today. And I think it's an important lesson, important enough to really do a video for this. So let's dive right in. Let me share the charts here. If you take a look, when you're starting the day, it's really important that you have a game plan for what you're going to be trading today. Half the battle is just having good stocks to be trading. And especially in this type of market, it can be hard to find really good stocks, especially when you have a market where there's not a lot of liquidity, there's not a lot of volume being traded. So it's really even more important now that you have a plan and you focus where the action is. Now you can have scanners and stuff like that. You can set your scanners up according to your strategy. But what we like to do, and we talk about this on our show, and we talk about this a lot, is we like to set our charts up like this. So we have all of the indices right here as far as what's going on in the market. Obviously, this is after the market is closed that we're filming this. But then we also like to set up a watch list that has all the sectors on it. And I've talked about this, and if you want the code, I can send it to you. Just drop a link into this video in the comment section. But I've coded into Thinkorswim a column that gives you the percentage change from the open. And to me, I find that is the most important column. I don't care what the last bid was. I don't care what the percentage change from the close was. What I care about is where is the momentum from the open? Where are traders putting their focus on in here? And what we identified early today, and we dropped it in our Discord chat, what we identified early was that retail was in play. It was pretty much in play, the leading sector all day today. And we identified it pretty early. And what that did was it gave our traders an understanding of where to possibly change their focus. Okay. And because what you got to do is put some fundamental thesis together, start thinking about, well, if retail's in play, and we just went through a period over the last couple trading days where retail has been hammered, right? We had Walmart come out with really disappointing earnings. We had Target come out with really disappointing earnings. So Snap, a lot of these stocks got slammed. Okay. And if you see retail leading the charge after having several days of getting just, decimated, well, pretty much you got an understanding that's a short squeeze that's going on. So you have a lot of shorts that are covering, and short squeezes can give you some of the best rallies in a bear market, especially when it gets going. And that's what happened in retail. So what we did as traders, once you get that piece of information, and, again, once the market's open, you're trying to just grab as much information as possible to help give you an edge. And so if you just would have thrown into a matrix chart like this, all of the retail plays, you can see these plays were the plays to be in today. I mean, Dick's, just incredible short squeeze off the open. Urban Outfitters, Dollar Tree, we talk a lot about. Target, Walmart, Kohl's, we talked about the value play in Kohl's. Nordstrom's, Macy's, they were the charts, they were the stocks to be in today. And so that's where you should have changed your focus. Now, if you looked at the type of plays that were available in retail today, you would have saw that, hey, Dick's got decimated on their earnings, but look how they came up, and just incredible run. Could have got 10, 20 points just on Dick's alone. And that's after breaking the 15-minute high. I mean, it was just nothing but up. It rode the lightning, and it's what we like to call the 22. And it was just a great trader all morning. Another one that had earnings that had dropped previously and just went up from the beginning, from the get-go, is Urban Outfitters. And a lot of these stocks didn't just go straight up. They had pullbacks, they curved in, gave you opportunities to buy, and were just great traders. And this is where the action was today. Nordstrom's, okay? Nordstrom's, great play. Well, these are all great plays that you could have popped in. But if you're a trader that gets stuck, and we had a couple traders today that stuck to their thesis that, okay, over the last couple of days, we had some really good trades shorting the ARC plays, okay, all what we like to call the shit stocks. I mean, a lot of these stocks have, rallied off their bottom, and increased some of them up to 100%. And now we're pulling back and mean reverting back. And Monday and Tuesday, great trades on shorts, on Square, Upstart, Unity. Okay. So a lot of the traders came in with a game plan today to continue to have that trade. But if you look at the action today on these stocks, you know, because they stayed with that focus, didn't change their focus, they wound up trading charts that just, you know, they got chopped up. I mean, these are not good charts. If you look at the chart on Square yesterday, great break, great short into the afternoon, just great trades, right? Really easy trades. You know, you look at Unity Software, same type of trade. You look at Upstart, same type of trade. They gave you great trades, but, you know, a lot of traders tried to force the action today and saw losses. And that's why it's really important, guys, that you have an edge in the marketplace. And this is one way for you to have an edge going forward. So make sure you go where the action is. Make sure that you do your homework beforehand. And that's why it's important in the morning that you do as much homework on liquidity levels, support levels. Make sure you're using those upper time frames, guys, so when your stock comes into play, you're ready to trade it. Thanks, guys. I hope this video helps. We're trying to do a couple more of these kind of fast hitters for you so you can hopefully get some value and pick some stuff up. Thanks, guys, and safe trading.